Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Adobe Premiere Pro on PC. In order to do that, head over right here to your Google and search in here for Adobe Premiere Pro. And then after you have searched for it, just input in here the keyword download. Now in here you can see this Premiere Pro free download and free trial. Click on this first link right here in order to open this particular website. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this new window that will allow you to download and start a free trial of the Premiere Pro. So for this case, click on this start free trial and you will have 14 days. For this, you have 7 days trial and 14 days to decide. Just choosing here the Premiere Pro plan that you want. It can be for individuals, student, teachers, as well as business. Choosing here your actual subscription, it can be annual or billed monthly. Then after that, click on continue. Once you have chosen right here a plan, they will provide you a direct link in order to download the Premiere Pro trial version for this case. So that's how you install Adobe Premiere Pro on PC. Hope we helped.